afternoon and welcome to Glendale, Arizona. So this amazing home right here is just hitting the market. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, open floor plan, completely remodeled. This particular home also features a 1-car garage and will be ready. It'll be ready this weekend. And yes, it's about $399,000. So you can get this great home under $400K, hitting the market this weekend. And before we continue on, just want to remind you, if you like seeing these videos, want to see what's available out here in the valley, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like, share my info. Send me a comment if there's a particular house you'd like to see or location or something you're looking for. I'd love to get that for you. All right, are you ready to head on in? So we're gonna head inside this amazing little home. Right through here. So it's in good condition outside. Just gonna take you over here. So there's a lot of privacy in that backyard. All right, so we're gonna head on in. You got this nice screen door. Okay, so you're walking in right here. There's amazing natural light. Have a kitchen opened up to the family room. And again, this is a great size home. Smells like fresh paint. Everything is done, ready for you to move in. And I love a house with natural light. And look at these ceilings, super tall. Let's head on into the kitchen. And you do have a beautiful quartz. Stainless steel appliances. And they're all Whirlpools. So you get a nice Whirlpool set. You have a double door fridge, microwave, electric stove, and dishwasher. And you have a nice countertop right here where you could easily sit about 4, possibly 5 seats comfortably. And you have views of the backyard right there. So you could put an island or you could put a dining room table. Whatever fits your needs. You know, everyone's a little different. I find that we don't really use a dining room, so we typically just go with a monstrous sized island. And it kind of suffices everything, storage and seating. But again, if you are one that likes to sit at a dining room table, you have plenty of space for one right here. And you have the laundry room right off the kitchen. Some cabinets, good size area. And right here off of the kitchen, you have this 4th bedroom and closet. So you're gonna walk in here. So it's pretty good size. And you have a bedroom. So this right here used to be a garage, believe it or not, and they have it now as a utility room / den / bedroom if needed. Just a great little space. And remember, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe down below. Send me a message if you want more info on this amazing home. It is completely done, ready for you to move in. So this is one of the bathrooms. And you do have a tub and shower combo. And again, the home's been recently updated. Everything's been new. So great condition. Some of the windows have been replaced. You have the same luxury vinyl throughout the home. Black handles, some more closet space. Come back here, another secondary bedroom. Again, a newer window. It's identical to the last room. So both secondary bedrooms over here are similar in size. And we're going here into the primary. Just a little bigger. And again, there's white blinds, luxury vinyl floor, super tall ceilings. We got ceiling fans. It is move-in ready. Great little place to call home. Some more quartz right here. And a stand-up shower. And back out here. We'll check out the backyard now. So you have an extended patio, which is nice. Nice covered space. Fascia's in great shape, and this is the one-car garage, so it's an open-style garage, which is great. So more of a covered patio slash garage space. There is a garage opener. And lots of privacy. Single-story homes around this one. You got easy maintenance in the backyard. Just some gravel. Got a bush over here. And this is a great size lot. Plenty of room to add a hot tub, a shed. I mean, if you want to put a pool in, you do have the space for it. So it's a great size yard. So on this amazing home, you can move in for under $400,000. If it's a home you want to see, reach on out. My email address, my phone number is below. I can get you in to see it, get you more info on how you can own this gorgeous home out here in Glendale, Arizona. All right, so we're gonna take it back out front. Just want you to see all angles. I just love the lighting in here. It's very inviting. I love the ceiling height. And you do have all this room. So you could have your kitchen, dining room, benches there. You could set up your TV there, your couch right here, or you could set up your couch over here and TV over there. So tons of options. It's a great space. Some great storage, some great features, along with a really good sized backyard. I hope this is a home you want to see. If you have any questions, feel free to reach on out. Have an awesome day.